everyone, I'm Lori from Dee's, here to share another quick, easy project with you. This is going to be our Home Sweet Home door hanger. So this is perfect for year-round. This would be great on a nursing home door or assisted living. It's just so pretty and great for all the time. So everything that you need to create this is going to be available in your kit, and your kit is available at shopdeeslouisville.com. So we have our cute little floral pick that has the assorted greeneries with the boxwood and the little fern stems and everything that you need, some little berries, and your 3 ribbons, and of course your wire. So to start out, you just want to make sure that you bring your pick to life. You always want to go through and just touch all the stems and perk them up, kind of waken them up. They've been in that box for the winter hibernating and they need to pop to life. Now, I'm just going to trim off some of this stem. And as you can see, this is a paper wrap stem. So I always like to dip the end of my stem into some glue. So you can use your glue gun and just put a little glue on the bottom of that stem just to make sure that that floral tape doesn't come unwrapped. We'll let that cool off a little bit. And next thing, we're just going to take our ribbons. We're going to start with our plaid here. And we're going to make a bow. So, of course, pinch, gather, flip. Make our loop, pinch and gather, flip, pinch and gather. We're going to add in our cute little black Swiss dot. Pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And last but not least, we're going to add in this pretty fern. Pinch and gather, and pinch and gather. So we've got our bow with our 3 ribbons all made. And then we're going to take our piece of wire so that we can bind this off and keep it all together nice and neat. So just wrap that around and pull it nice and tight. Then you want to take your scissors, and of course we want to make those ends look beautiful. So we're going to fold those wired edges together and just snip out that triangle so we have some pretty V-cuts. And you can leave this tail long, or you can trim it off as short as you would like. And one more little tail. Okay, so we have our bow all made for our door hanger. So we're going to take our piece that you've gotten all ready because you fluffed it all up and you've wakened it up. Waken, that's not the word. It's woken, isn't it? Okay, so we're going to put our ribbon right in here. And twist that around nice and tight on the back. Fluff up your bow. And then you can bend some of these greenery stems in different directions, exactly to the way you like it. Gonna bring these cream flowers up so you can see those pretty things. And then you're just gonna wire right on to the top of your door hanger. And quick and easy and ready to go. Home Sweet Home door hanger. It's available at shopdeeslouisville.com. Thanks for joining me.